What's up guys? Today I have another bonus sponsored video for you, and today it's going to be over the NewAir G73 electric heater. Now if we all had to agree on something, that's probably that I could have used a garage heater years ago, but I finally got one installed today, and let me go ahead and run you over the specs of this heater, and then I'll get into how well it's been working in my garage. To get started, I'm going to go over the main question that everyone is probably wondering, and that is how much does this heater cost? This heater is $249, and for the value of this heater, I think that's a really good deal. So let's go ahead and take a look at the more detailed numbers and see what this heater can kick out. So beginning with the size of this heater is 9 inches by 9.5 inches by 14 inches, and it weighs 15 pounds with a nice ivory color. This heater is capable of heating up to 500 square feet, and I believe that my garage is a little bit bigger than that, knowing that it's a 3-car garage, but I have been using it for the past couple of days, and it seems like it heats it up with no problem, so it might maybe just take a little bit extra longer to heat it up, but I can tell you that for my 3-car garage, it's still been working out really well, so no complaints there so far. This heater runs off of a 240 volt line, so I did have to have an electrician come out and install it for me, just because I don't really have that much knowledge with installing anything like this, so it was just easier for me to have somebody come out and install it. But I'm sure a lot of you guys are really good at that and you'd be able to install it yourself. Now one thing I want to point out is that he did install a power on and off switch at my level, so it's nice and easy to turn on and off real quick, which is definitely something that I would recommend for all you guys, so then you don't have to climb up to the ceiling and turn it on and off that way. It's just a nice flick of the switch. And as you can tell, I'm not sure how the mic picks it up, but it's really not that loud, so it's a really pretty quiet heater overall. So like I said, it runs off of 240 volts, 5,000 watts, and 20.8 amps. The heating capacity on this heater is 17,060 BTUs, aka British thermal units, and it's able to kick out 200 CFM, which is 200 cubic feet per minute. Another thing I like about this heater is that it's wall and ceiling mountable, so if you need to mount it on your wall, that's no problem. You can just flip the bracket, and then if you need to mount it on the ceiling, you just flip the bracket the other way and you can easily mount it on your ceiling as well. The heating element is stainless steel, and it comes with an automatic temperature control and an automatic shutoff, so that's definitely a nice added feature in it as well. Now I've had this heater installed in my garage for a little bit less than a week, but I have had a few chances to use it, and I have to say that it works out really well in my garage. I think my garage is a little bit bigger than what it's supposed to heat up, but I have to say it still does a really good job of heating it up without any problems. So I came out this morning and it was a pretty warm day here for the winter. It started at 48 degrees, and then I turned on the heater, came back about an hour later, and it had my garage up to 60 degrees. So those are just a few kind of reference numbers. Now if you have a smaller shop, it's going to be able to heat up quicker, but this is a 3-car garage, so that's a pretty big area for this heater to be heating up, but it did a nice job of that, so I'm really happy with the overall output that this heater is able to produce. So whether you're looking to buy a heater right now or maybe for next winter, be sure to check out the NewAir G73 electric heater. It does a great job, and so far I can only say positive things about it. Now if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, be sure to let me know by leaving a comment in the comments below, and also hit that thumbs up button for more videos like this. So until next time, I'll see you guys Tuesday with a woodworking project.